What is going on, my YouTube friends? Guys, I've been out here working on this Fairmont. Had to plow the driveway. Yep, we got about 4 inches of snow. So, yeah, buddy, here's winter. It's not even here yet. Here's winter. But anyhow, I got some more sanding done. I got things taped off that I want to get taped off. So we're moving along. I didn't get quite what I wanted to do this weekend, but that's usually the case. You know what I mean? Always got something else to do. You get what I mean? Yeah, buddy. So anyhow, let's turn you around and see what I got going on. So as you see, I got everything taped off. I got all this nice and sanded down nice and smooth. I got that down over there nice and smooth. Still got a little bit of work to do on this side. But we're getting there. We're getting things done. I got it taped up here a little bit. I figure I can go ahead and prime this, and then later on when I start working on the body, then I'll feather all that in together. So we got all that done. I taped it down along the side here, along the doors, and above the roof up there, so that way we don't get over it or spray anywhere else. You know what I mean? So the less sanding I got to do, the happier I gotta be. I'm gonna be. So yeah, we're getting there, man. We're working on it. Let's get over here and look at the other side. I still got to clean all this up and that, and remove these two brackets right here. Either that or just leave them on. It don't make a difference really. You know, I always got my garbage bags, don't I? You know, so the lower part down here looks pretty good. I don't think it's going to have to be painted any. Let's walk over here to the other side and see what we got going on. Here we are on the other side. Like I said, I got all this right here scuffed up. That's good. I got it taped off over here on this side, up on the door and the roof again. And then, you know, we just got to do some more cleaning up. Once we get all the cleaning up done and everything, then we can get in here and start priming all this, you know, get it primed up and ready to roll. Yeah, buddy. So she's looking good. I'm pretty happy with it. Still need to clean up in there still. Get that cleaned up and get them things moving, baby. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I had to put the plow on the four-wheeler today and use it. I still need to clean the leaves off of it. So we'll get that done. So we're working on it. Oh, yeah, let me show you this tire. We'll start right here. We're going to kind of work our way around here. I still got the adjustments to do on the rear end, which we knew that anyhow. Get that done. And it's still forward a little bit. This is a 28, 10, 50, 15. And it's a 10-inch wheel. So I may have to go with a 8-inch wheel. I'm not sure yet. We're gonna have to see. Once I get this thing more straightened out. You know, like, you know, the thing of it is that I gotta set this thing on the floor so that way it sits down even and I can really do the adjustment. I don't have far to go. So this wheel is got to come back here farther, and you can see right there, it's charged. It's touching just a tad. So once I can get the car on the ground and I can see the regular stance of it, then I can get everything, swing it back, and then snug everything up. And that tire should fit. But the problem is, I may have to massage this end on the inner fender well. So if I got to massage that, I'm just going to go with a smaller wheel because I really don't feel like beating up on this car because it's so daggone clean, you know, and I don't want to put tubs in it, so it's not going to happen. So I may just have to go with a smaller wheel. If I go with a smaller wheel, that's actually going to make the tire taller. So we'll see what happens. And I'm not going to get as much of a footprint, but I'll let a little bit more air out of it to kind of compensate, you know what I'm saying? So I have a plan for this, but it's going to be a while before we can finish that up. A friend of mine, Dave, I don't know if he's watching my channel or not, but thank you for letting me borrow these tires so that way I can mock everything up and get everything rolling on the back end here. But as far as I'm concerned, until we can get this sit down, there's not much I can do. But anywho, I would like to get this thing painted this week, but I'm busy all week with work and everything else. And of course you can see I gotta clean everything up. I got these spots on here I gotta clean up. Plus I've been touching it, so I got finger grease all over it. So I gotta take some thinner and wipe everything down. tack it up good, get it primed, you know. Firewall, it's in good shape, so I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna go back. I'm gonna go ahead and scuff that up, and I'm gonna re-prime and paint that too. At least put another coat of paint on it anyhow. I don't know if I have to prime it again. So we're getting there. So let me turn this back around. So anywho, you know, I didn't get done what I wanted to get done this weekend. My brother was in the hospital and they found out some things about him. So if anything, you guys can please keep him in your prayers. We'll find out what's really gonna go on with him tomorrow sometime. So I'll know something by Tuesday at least, at the latest. They said he had cancer in his kidney, but we're still not sure yet because they did a CAT scan and the nurse come in there trying to tell him what was going on when she had no business doing that. She should have let the doctor read it and let the doctor talk to him. You know what I'm saying? So we got to talk to, my brother's going to talk to him Monday and we're going to find out what's going on. My brother has lost a lot of weight. He was never a real heavy guy, but he was never this skinny. You know what I'm saying? I mean, never in his life, you know? So he went to the doctor and he says, look, something's going on. You're missing something. We need to do something about it. And the doctor put him in the hospital and did all the tests and everything on him, and they found cancer in his kidney. Supposedly. Now, that's not 100%. The urologist said it, but after they did this CAT scan, I guess the pictures are more clear. I don't know. I'm not sure. So, you know, I'll know something by Tuesday and I'll let you know. But if you do me a favor and just keep my brother in your prayers, I really would appreciate it. You know, he's my older bro, man. You know what I mean? I lost a sister a couple years back. Cancer. She had cancer and leukemia, if I ain't mistaken. It was bad, you know. We're getting older and we lose the ones we love, and it's sad, you know. And my dad's doing good though. He's 90 years old. I haven't really talked to my dad about my brother yet. I asked my brother not to talk to my dad about it because I don't want him to worry about it until we know exactly what's going on. So as of right now, it's up in the air what's happening, but just please keep him in your prayers. Guys, I'm going to tell you something. I appreciate you. I really do, man. You guys are awesome. And if anybody ever tells you any different, you tell them come see me and I'll tell them you're awesome. You know why? Because you're awesome. You guys have a great rest of your night. Hey, and thanks for coming watching the video on the Fairmont. I'm sorry I didn't get done what I promised, but things come up in life, you know, but we'll get it next weekend. As long as I don't have to work or nothing crazy comes up. Have a great rest of your night and thanks for watching. Hey, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Have a great rest of your night.